This is the Motorola Razr 2022, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can extend your random access memory amount on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to, launch the settings. After that, enter the, system category. Next, open the performance section. In here, go for the dedicated RAM boost field and switch this toggle on. In order for the changes to take effect, you gotta restart the device. So let me do just that. Alrighty, so the smartphone has been successfully rebooted. Now let me quickly enter my SIM pin. So if we'll go to the settings now, enter the same system category and go for the performance as well as RAM boost, we'll see that in addition to the default 8 GB of random access memory, we have added an extra 2 GB right over here. I guess if we'll open up the about phone section, it should be reflected over there as well. So let me do exactly that. So hardware information. The RAM size says it's 8 GB, but yep, even despite of the about phone section not reflecting the fact that the RAM was increased by 2 GB, we still have gotten an additional 2 GB of random access memory. So that would be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.